Hello friends, welcome to TechnoBoost. In previous videos, we have seen Create Toolbar Panel, Modify Toolbar Panel, Pattern Toolbar Panel and Constraint Toolbar Panel. In Create Toolbar Panel, we have seen different rectangles, slots, polygon, fillet, different arcs, different circles and lines. We have also seen how to use trim, extend, split and how to make patterns. From this video, we will see some sketch. How to draw sketch, how to utilize all these commands in this sketch. Okay. In this video, we will also see how to give dimensions and how to apply constraints. Okay, let's start with one simple sketch. This is one simple sketch. Let's start with new sketch. Click on new, select template, click on start 2D sketch and select plane. Okay, and keep in mind, always try to make sketch at origin and make one simple rough sketch. Okay, let's start. First draw rough sketch. Click on line command. Okay, let's give dimensions. Click on dimension. This is 130. Click on zoom all or click here front. This is 70, this is 20 and this is 120. $20, $120, $70, these two are 40 and this is 90 and 20. $40, $40, $90 and this is 20. Okay, you can see now this sketch is fully defined and here you can see fully constrained. Okay, let's see one more exercise. This is exercise number 2. Click on new, click on standard template, start 2D sketch, select plane. Let's start drawing. Here you can see two arcs are there. We will start from this point. This will be our origin. Okay, let's make one rough sketch. Okay, let's give dimensions. Here you can see this is 40 plus 80. So 40 plus 80. This is 50. This is 30. Okay. $50, $30. You can drag it. This is 70. This is 70. And this is 30. Okay, and these 2 points are in one line, and center is also lying on similar line. Okay, let's use horizontal constraint and select these 2 points. Okay, select arc, 3-point arc, 0.1, 0.2 and 0.3. Here we can see this arc is tangent to these both lines. So select tangent, select arc and line. Okay, here we have done with outer profile. Let's draw inner profile. Click on line. Okay. This is 40, 20 and 40. $40, $20 and this is also 40. Similarly, these 2 arcs are concentric and these 2 points are also lies on same line. Okay, click on horizontal, select this point and this point. Okay, click on arc, take tangent, and here we have done. Okay, if you want to check the radius of this arc, click on dimension. Here you can see R10 set and R20. Okay, you can see R10 and R20, and you can also see sketch is fully constrained. Okay, here we have done with exercise 2. If you have any doubt regarding previous videos, you can ask question in comment section. In next video we will see some more sketch exercise. Keep practicing. Thank you for watching my video. Please like it, share it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.